Hi moms and dads. Watch this. In 2026, AI tells your child 2 plus 2 is 4 in a second. But AI can't give them the feel of 4 beads arriving, one by one, at the beam. That feel is number sense. It's brain wiring. Counting 1 to 4, just 4 beads, is where it starts. 8 minutes today. Ready? Before we start, here's a question. For lower beads on a rod, your child wants to show 2. Which bead do they push first, the top one or the bottom one? The bottom one. Always. Watch why. Think of your child's brain as a network of paths. Every skill is a path. Use a shortcut, let AI answer, and the path doesn't form. It fades. The reason counting 1 to 4 matters is that this is the first path in the number network. Bead by bead. Bottom up. In order. Because repetition in order is how the brain builds the pattern. Children who carve this path early read numbers faster, add faster, and catch errors AI misses. Start here, 0. Every bead is down. None touching the beam. No bead touches, nothing counts. Before every practice, clear to 0 first. This is the reset. Make it a habit. Now 1. I'll show you once, slowly. Find the bottom bead, the lowest one on the rod. Push it up to the beam. It touches. That's 1. Bottom bead first. Every single time. Not the middle. Not the top. The bottom. 2. Push the next bead up, the one just above the first. 2 beads touch the beam. Count, 1, 2. No gaps. No skips. The order matters because gaps become errors in addition. 0, 1, 2, done. Name them out loud. Now, 3 and 4. 3. Push the third bead up. 3 beads at the beam. 1 bead still resting below. Say it, 3. 4. All 4 lower beads touch the beam. This is the maximum lower beads can show. 4 is the ceiling. For 5, you need a different bead, one above the beam. That's lesson 3. For now, 4 is your child's full range. Here's the mistake. Watch. They push from the middle, skip a bead, and create a gap. See that gap? That gap becomes a counting error in lesson 8. Now the fix, bottom bead first, push up in order. No gaps. 1 rule. 1 habit. Locks in forever. Mistake seen. Fix known. Now your child's turn. Without looking at the screen, push 3 beads up. Bottom bead first. No skips. Count what's at the beam. 1, 2, 3. Exactly 3. Practice 1. Clear to 0 first. Push 3 lower beads up, bottom first. Count each, 1, 2, 3. 3 beads at the beam. Answer, 3. Practice 2. Clear to 0. Push 2 beads, bottom bead, then the next one up. 2 beads touch the beam. Answer, 2. Practice 3. Push all 4 lower beads to the beam. Bottom first. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 touching. That's 4. The maximum. Quick check. 3 beads are at the beam. What number is that? A, 1. B, 2. C, 3. D, 4. The answer is C, 3 beads equal 3. You got it. Quiz done. Here's what to take away. What you learned today. 1 bead up, 1. 2 beads, 2. 3 beads, 3. 4 beads, 4. Always push from the bottom bead up. No skips. No gaps. That one rule protects every lesson after this. Parents, tonight, try this. Say a number between 1 and 4. Your child has 5 seconds to find it on the abacus. If they go bottom first without prompting, today's lesson carved the path. If they skip a bead, replay the mistakes seen together. One replay is enough. Try the quiz at tamilgeniuslab.com/quiz/lesson2. Tell me in the comments, which number did your child show first? I read every one. See you in lesson 3, where one special bead becomes 5.